Okay, today we're going to be talking about improper fractions. I know that 43/5 is an improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So I'm going to have to take some steps in order to figure out what my mixed number is going to be. So the first step is going to be to divide 43 divided by 5. And then I can figure out what my mixed number is from there. So the first question I have to ask myself is, how many times does 5 go into 4? I know that it doesn't because 5 is bigger than 4. And then I have to ask how many times 5 goes into 43. Well, I know that it goes in 8 times and not 9 because 9 times 5 is 45, which is too much. So 8 times 5 is going to be 40. When I subtract that, I get 3. So the 8 is my whole number. The 3 is my numerator. And my denominator stays the same. So it's still the 5 here. My final step is to make sure that 3/5 is the lowest that it can be. So I'm just looking at 3/5. So I have to look at my greatest common factor. My factors of 3 are only 1 and 3 because it's a prime number. My factors of 5 are only 1 and 5 because it is also a prime number. So my greatest common factor is 1. Anytime my greatest common factor is 1, that means that my fraction is already reduced all the way down that it can be. So that's going to be my final answer. So again, your answer up here is your whole number, your remainder is your numerator, and your denominator will stay the same.